If you just permanently deleted a file on Windows and you are reaching for an old tool like Recuva, stop. Most of those 10-year-old guides are failing because modern NVMe SSDs use a command called trim that wipes data almost instantly. To get your files back today, you need a tool that can outrun the system. Now, before we start, I am not sponsored by any of these brands. I am not being paid to tell you which one is better. I am making this video to save you the frustration of scanning for an hour only to find out you have to pay to actually save your data. We are putting the free claims of these biggest names to a real world test. I have created a test folder with photos on this C drive in the download location here. Here you can see this is the folder, and I am going to permanently delete them right now. So let's select everything, right click and click on delete. So let's empty our recycle bin and click on yes. So now we are going to see which of these free versions actually lets me recover them for $0. We are testing EaseUS, Stellar and AOMEI to see which one is the true winner for this specific situation. So let's start with the EaseUS data recovery. So they are the most popular in this field. So I am in their free version. So here you can see that I do not have any license or anything. So let's try. So this is the interface. You can see they have like hard disks. I can also select a particular folder. You can also recover from SD card and some more recovery tools they have available like image recovery, RAID recovery, etc. And some options for file repair and lost partition. So we actually deleted from a folder. So select folder. So delete test1. So let's select it. And now let's see how quickly it can like find the folder or files that we are looking for. All right. So while it is like trying to find it, let's move on with our next software, which is Stellar Data Recovery. So this is the software Stellar Data Recovery. So here you can see that what to recover. So similar interface, but here you can like select photos, videos, and like you can search particularly by this custom scan. So this is a good addition. And recover from, yeah, this is a similar interface of the EaseUS. So you can see that connected drives and also common file location, and you can also choose a specific file location. And here you can also like add raw file formats. So this is a different edition than the EaseUS data recovery. So now let's try to delete from another folder, another test folder 2. So here you can see we have 3 images. Let's click on shift and delete. Permanently delete, yes. So now let's try to like choose a location, and then this is the folder that we want to recover from. Let's click on select and scan. So let's move on with our next software. So this is AOMEI fast recovery. So let's see that if they are actually fast or not. So similar interface, you can see your internal drive, select folder, desktop or recycle bin. You can also recover from USB or SD card. So here is like the partition, lost partition and PC recovery option. They do not have like the option to pick like from particular file type like photos, documents. So you mainly need to select folder. So this is a drawback of this application obviously. So let's go with our third test folder. So these are the files that we will delete from here. So let's click on shift and delete, click on yes. So let's select folder here, download file test, select folder. So it is saying quick scanning. So now all of these systems are scanning. Let's see if any of these actually worked or not. So we can see that EaseUS is already found 2 of the files that we have deleted earlier. So this is a good thing. Let's see that we can see it or not. So yes, we can preview it. Let's, here you can see that it is still scanning. It is taking quite a lot of time. So I will be back after all of this actually found or like finish their scan. All right. So AOMEI is saying that quick scan completed, found like these numbers of files. So let's click on OK. So let's see that what they actually found. All right. So in our AOMEI data recovery, so we can see like this is the interface. So we can also like select image documents. So we can like search by type. We can also select path. So let's go to like we have deleted images. So here is image. I think it was PNG image. So let's select it, and then here deleted files, deleted file test3. So it has found one of the images. Let's try to preview it, get full version. So it won't like allow us to see it. Let's see if we can recover it or not. So let's click on recover. So trial only allows us to scan. So you may need to pay it monthly. The minimum fee is $39. So you cannot actually recover anything without paying them. All right. Okay. So the Stellar software like finished its scanning. So let's click on OK. So it actually found like 11 files. So let's click on OK. Let's see what they have found. Here is the file list. Let's go to photos, preview not supported. So I don't know actually what they recovered here. So let's see classic list, deleted list, raw data. All right, here is like C. Let's try to recover one of these. All right, I cannot actually recover. I need to buy their versions, premium version. The lowest one is $50. All right, let's click on cancel. I cannot actually also preview it. So I am not very confident in their software, to be honest. I expected more. I don't know if I am doing something wrong or not, but actually the interface is also not quite easy to understand. All right, so the EaseUS data recovery has completed the deep scan. So let's go to recover. So let's see how much they actually found by their deep scan. So let's see test one. They have found two of the images, two of the three images. In test two, they actually found most of them in the test two, I guess. And for the test three, they actually found all of this as well. So let's try to recover, let's say the test one. We want to recover these two. Let's click on recover. And now we have also like here by automatic enable repair. So when you are saving it, the quick tip, pro tip is do not save it in the same drive. Like we are trying to recover from the C drive. So you mainly need to like backup it to like recover it to D, E or other drives. All right. So let's pick drive D. So let's click on save. So let's see that if we can like view these images or not. So one of this image works, and I think the other one is corrupted, but they also like you can recover using their software repair. So this is a like good software that they can actually find it. And for the AOMEI data recovery, with their quick scan, they were able to find one of these images. And I think that with their deep scan, we might be able to recover all of these images as well. So now let's move on with our verdict. So the first position would go to the EaseUS data recovery, recover some of these files for free. So this is a good thing. And if you want to buy their like if you need to get more amounts of GBs, then you mainly need to buy it. So their pricing is around $60 per month and lifetime $100. So I think if you can pay like spend some money, then EaseUS data recovery is the best option. And in budget, I think that the AOME fast recovery is also good. With their fast scan, they were able to find one of these images. I think with the deep scan, we can find more of these images. And their pricing is a bit cheaper than the EaseUS data recovery. So for the AOME, I think the pricing is starts at $34 monthly. They have the lifetime option. It is $64, and for yearly 54. So the second place would go to the EOMEI data recovery, and the last place would go to the Stellar data recovery. I don't know. I think that I might did something wrong, but their software interface is also not so like user intuitive. It is hard to navigate when they are actually finished scanning. So I didn't like their interface that much. So the file name is also like showing weirdly. So again, no one paid me to say this, but if you decide to buy a license, I have put my affiliate links in the description. It helps the channel at no extra cost to you. I will keep testing more tools and updating the list as the software changes. So that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and let me know in the comment section below that which of this software you are actually using or actually helped you. And also please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mash from TechMash and I'm signing out.